in empty hand for the house? No, they will come with the wages. When they are coming to the house, they will come with the wages. Whatever the amount that is produced by a firm, if the firm is producer of bread, what it will do? It will sell to the household. The bread, whatever the firm is producing, it will sell to the household. Household, what they will do? They will purchase it and they will spend their money on the product of firm. Like this, the two sector will work. Which and all the two sector? Household and firm. Only two sector are going to work. And the important concept under the simple economy, there is absence of government. In this concept, you can see whether I took anywhere the name of government. No, there is no intervention or the no involvement of a government, and the absence of foreign sector. So you can ask where these kind of economy were existed. So you can heard the concept of barter system. Under the barter system, there were no existence of government. What people will used to do? They used to produce one commodity, goods or services, and they used to exchange these goods and services with another person. If I am a producer of wheat, I want vegetables. What I will do? I will go to a vegetable producer, and whatever the extra production of wheat I have, I will sell to that vegetable person. That vegetable owner, what he will do? He will sell me the vegetable behalf of wheat. So there was the old method of exchange were existed. So in simple economy means there is no existence of government, there is no existence of foreign sector. Both the sector are absent. There are no banking system. We can say there is a absence of banking system. This is about the simple economy. So at the end of the class, you have to write an assignment on barter system. So what is the barter system? How they going to work? All those things you have to study, learn, and you have to write the assignment. So tomorrow I am going to explain some few things about the barter system. So be prepared and ready for the concept. So write a assignment on barter system. Thank you.